Our Center for Clinical Investigation and Therapeutics is really a unique center that will be focused on patient-oriented research. These types of research focus on how we can learn from our patients and conduct various research that will help in the care of our patients, will allow us to better look after our patients here in London as well as across Canada and around the world. The CCIT was purpose-built to be used by everyone who is interested in clinical research, particularly those who are interested in what we call patient-oriented research. So how do you take the best ideas about treating our patients and do the studies that are needed to make sure they're done safely and effectively? And this is a resource for everyone to allow them to conduct the best in patient-oriented research. Everyone who's interested in using the CCIT will simply be able to go online, put in a little description of what they wish to do, and then they'll be asked some questions and we will contact them regarding resources available so that anyone that requires a facility like this to ensure their clinical research can be done safely will be eligible to use the facility.
The experience I've had with the CCIT has been a very positive experience. I'm specifically involved with a research project that looks at methotrexate use in Crohn's disease patients, and I've actually had the opportunity to compare my experience here with an experience at another facility because the project originally started in the first facility, and compared to that facility, this one offers state-of-the-art resources and materials. It offers specific office space for study investigators to come and do work while research patients are undergoing a specific protocol. And I was very impressed by the quality of the staff, their organizational skills, their enthusiasm, their helpfulness in helping carry out research projects. And I was very impressed by the emphasis that's placed on patient or research participant comfort while they're here.
First of all, this is a remarkable place. I mean, I've been through comparable facilities throughout North America and the United States most recently, and I think what we have built here is amazing. It is like world class. It is something here that is of great quality and something great for the university and for the hospital and for London. In terms of our own experiences with it, it's been fantastic. So far, just nothing but compliments for what this has been able to bring, the dimension that this has been able to bring to my research program. But because it is a biological-based treatment, it actually needed specialized procedures and protocols that are sort of above and beyond what we would normally do in a clinical trial, and everything that we could possibly conceive of doing is available here. So if we didn't have the CCIT, I mean, we've already had a bit of experience with, essentially we would have done the study in the very busy outpatient clinics here at UH, and that's not optimal for this type of clinical trial. Whereas here, it's wonderful. I mean, it's relaxed, everything is just of the highest quality. The patients feel that they're getting special attention, special consideration, and so it works out well for everybody concerned. So I think we're so fortunate to have this facility here in London.
The future for our Center for Clinical Investigation and Therapeutics is really bright, in part because we're starting with the latest technologies and facilities, which very few in Canada have. In addition, we'll be able to train our next generation of physician scientists and allied health personnel focused on clinical research and translating bench-to-bedside delivery of best care. We think this will really allow us to have the next generation of leaders in the field who will then also use the skills that they learned from our CCIT to be able to deliver on various clinical research across the country. So we do think this will be truly the hub of excellence for London and Canada.
So the impact that these centers are going to have on education and training at UWO is significant. When you look at the facilities that have been created here, if you look at what we're able to do now on early pharmacology research, so what we call our preclinical studies and then phase ones, this is going to be a massive impact on the university and our capacity to teach students in these milieus, but also to conduct research.
We see the CCIT becoming a globally recognized center for excellence in translational, patient-oriented clinical research. There's really no place like this in the country where we have a dedicated research facility within an active hospital setting with a goal of supporting clinicians and researchers who are interested in enhancing patient care.
The success of these programs is absolutely dependent on individuals with philanthropic donations. There's no way that we could do this in the absence of that. So at the end of the day, the only way that universities and medical centers can move forward are these kinds of donations. People should never underestimate them, no matter what the magnitude of the donation.
The fundraising has been essential for the success of our CCIT. Indeed, without the fundraising efforts, this building would not have been possible in terms of the equipment and facilities, and even to a degree, our ability to offer the various services that will be present in our CCIT.